Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Our school, Pakistan International School Type, announced the online classes, and I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila. I'll teach you science. So, welcome to virtual classes. Today, our topic is our body, unit number 1, textbook, page number 2. We will learn in this chapter about bones, skeleton, muscles, and joint. So let's start. The human body varies in size and shape. You may be tall or short, weak or strong, but all human beings have similar body parts. Our body has many parts. What they say in these slides? I'll explain in next slide with the help of a picture to be more clear. Now look at this picture. You may be tall or short, weak or strong, but all human beings have similar body parts. For example, everybody have two legs, two eyes, two hands. Our body has many parts and each part is very important. We do different things using different body parts. For example, look at this picture. The girl is using her hands to skip the rope. In another picture, the boy is using his hand and legs to run. Again, look at the third picture. The girl is using her, her legs to jump. So there are a lot of parts in our body and each part is very important. For example, we are using eyes to see, to read. We're using our nose to smell the things. We're using here to hear. And each body part is very important. We cannot take one body part from another body part. As we grow, actually our bones and muscles are growing. So what is bones? We will discuss in this slide. Every time when we walk, sit on a chair or bend, we are using bones. Bones of our body made of our skeleton. When we become adult, we have 206 bone in our body. That is the main point to be noted. The adult human body have 206 bone in the body. But do you know, at the time of the birth, the human body has more than 270 bones. As one grows, many of these bones fuse together and thus reduce to 206 bones. Now come to let us talk about skeleton. When every bone is placed on a place and their place, it becomes a skeleton. Skeleton give shape to our body, give form to our body. Skeleton is the framework which gives shape or support to our body, help us to move. Now look at this diagram. What is this? It is a human skeleton. Let us learn more about bones and skeleton. Bones are hard outer layer made of calcium. All human beings have same structure of bone. They are connected with one another. All bones are connected with one another. If you want to have a strong bones, you will must take enough calcium. And how you will get this calcium? By taking milk, orange, spinach, broccoli, and many other green vegetables and other products like almond, fish are also a rich source of calcium. Skeleton give shapes to our body, but other than that, it also has one more important function. Skeleton protect our internal organ like brain, heart, lungs, and liver, kidney. All the internal organ is protected by our skeleton. Muscle and joint. Remember that bones do not work alone. They move with the help of muscle and joint. They move with the help of muscle and joint. The place where two bones meet is called joint. Joint help the skeleton to move. They allow us to walk, run, bend, or lift the things. As we have already discussed in a previous slides, that every bone is connected with one another, and these connections are called joint. When one bone is connected with another bone, at that point we call joint. Let's explain with the help of diagram. These two bones are connected with one another. So at this point, we will call joint. Again, these two bones are connected with one another. So it is called joint. Like this, all bones are connected with one another in our skeleton. And that connection are called joints. Muscles. The softer part of our body is called muscle. Muscle make up nearly half the weight of our body. Our body is made of bones and muscle covered by skin. Basically, our body is made of bones and muscles covered by skin. Look at this diagram. We can also feel our muscle, bones, and joint. Look at the diagram in the middle. This hard thing is bones and it is connected with another bone. So at this connection point, we will call joint, and the soft flesh around the bones is muscle. It is the muscle that help you to smile, frown, yawn. Similarly, like a strong bone, if you want a strong bone, you will take enough calcium. Similarly, like that, if you want to have a strong muscle, you will must need to get strong food. Our muscle need food to work. We will get strong if we eat healthy food. Your bones and muscle will grow fast and remain good in condition if you eat healthy food, doing a proper exercise, and maintain a correct posture. So what is a posture? The way we sit, stand, or move is called posture. Whenever you stand up, keep your shoulder and back straight. That is the correct posture. Now look at the picture. This one is a good posture and this one is a poor posture. Whenever you sit on the chair, keep your back straight to the back of the chair. Do you know the only muscle exposed on the outside of our body is tongue? And do you know the largest bone in our body is a thigh bone? So this is the end of our lecture. What we learned in this chapter? We learn about bones, muscles, joints, and skeleton. That our body is made of bones and muscle covered by skin. We learn that skeleton gives support, shape, and form to our body. We learn that whenever two bones meet together, at that point we will call joint, and how we will make our bones strong by taking enough calcium, and how we will have a strong muscles by taking a good food, healthy food. Other than that, we learn that adult human body have 206 bones. That are the main important point in this chapter. Hope so you will understand. Thank you so much.